Okay, so we're doing trail repair. So this thing has a broken leaf spring here. So to get home, we're gonna weld this one. Technically, we're supposed to weld this one here to the second one right here, but we're gonna weld it on the third one, and then we're gonna reinforce it with Harbor Freight wrenches like that. And then on the top one, we're gonna use this 3/8 inch plate or half inch, and we're gonna reinforce it like this, just so that we can get home. So how we're gonna weld it? 3-car batteries. Ho ho. Okay, so we got this thing welded. Don't hate the welder because it was just trail repair. Battery welded this. That's a wrench. We use a Harbor Freight wrench. We also use a Harbor Freight wrench on this side. So yeah, thank God for Harbor Freight. Don't make fun of Harbor Freight. Okay, so hopefully we can go home like this.